Hey guys! In this video, I'll show you how to download and install OBS Studio on your MacBook step by step. OBS Studio is one of the most popular free tools for screen recording and live streaming. Whether you want to record tutorials, gameplay, presentations, online meetings, or create content for YouTube, OBS gives you a powerful set of tools directly on your Mac. To get started, open your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type OBS Studio, then press Enter. From the search results, open the official OBS Studio website. Make sure you are using the correct website, which is obsproject.com. This is important because downloading from the official website helps you get the latest and safest version of the app. Once the OBS website opens, you'll see download options for different operating systems. Since we're installing OBS Studio on a Mac, click on macOS. Now, depending on your Mac model, you may see different download options, such as Apple Silicon and Intel. Before downloading, you need to choose the version that matches your Mac. To check this, click the Apple logo in the top left corner of your screen, then select About this Mac. Here, look for the chip or processor section. If your Mac shows Apple M1, M2, M3, or any newer Apple chip, select the Apple Silicon version. If your Mac shows an Intel processor, select the Intel version. Once you choose the correct version, the OBS Studio installer will start downloading. After the download is complete, open your Downloads folder. Then double-click the OBS Studio file you just downloaded. An installation window will appear. You should see the OBS Studio icon and the Applications folder. To install OBS Studio, drag the OBS Studio icon into the Applications folder. Wait a few seconds while the app is copied to your Mac. Once the installation is complete, you can close the installer window. You can also move the installer file to the bin if you no longer need it. Now open your Applications folder and look for OBS Studio. Double-click OBS Studio to launch it. The first time you open the app, your Mac may show a security message. If this happens, click Open to confirm that you want to launch OBS Studio. After OBS opens, you may also see an auto configuration wizard. This helps you set up OBS based on what you want to do, such as recording your screen or streaming online. You can follow the wizard, or you can skip it and adjust the settings later. And that's it. OBS Studio is now installed on your MacBook and ready to use. From here, you can create scenes, add your screen as a source, connect a microphone, and start recording or streaming. If you found this video useful, give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop your questions in the comments below.